This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Disney Plus error code 39. So this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you a multiple method in order for you to fix the issue. So for the first method is restarting the device and the router. So just simply reboot and that might fix the issue and simply power cycle your router and your system, and all you need to do is unplug the cables from your router and your system and wait for 30 seconds and then plug the cables back in. And now for the second method is updating the application. So you should also make sure you are running the latest version of the Disney Plus application, and this should fix the issue. So now for the third method is unplug video capturing device. So some of the devices will trigger error code 39 and prevent Disney Plus from working. So now for the fourth method is reinstalling the app. So all you need to do is go ahead and uninstall the app from your device and then reinstall it back again. And guys, if that doesn't work, the best and last option that you have is contacting the Disney customer support on their website. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.